Hey, this is Sue here from Commercial Finance Experts Academy. Today I want to talk to you about a big event that's going to be happening. It is a big event because Quicken from the US is starting shop in Canada. They have announced that they are opening up a place in Ontario. Now, you guys may not hear about this in the mortgage broking industry, but in the US, they are a huge behemoth, meaning in the last 4 years alone, they have financed over 400 billion, B with a capital B, $400 billion worth of mortgages. Think about that, right? Let that number sink in. I mean, that's, I would say, ginormous compared to Canada. So why I'm saying it's a big event, because whenever they move into the space in the US, people just made fun of them because they think that, it's another online thing. It's a fintech, financial tech company. Finance is so complicated and they won't do very, very well. They'll be gone in no time. You know what? They haven't gone anywhere. They have taken a huge chunk out of the US market, out of the mortgage book that's down there. In over 52, 53 states, they have pretty much conquered a lot of the A-side lending. So, I mean, yeah, you know, True North and Butler Mortgage and all those no-frills mortgages who cater after AAA clients, they will get their market shares eaten away when these guys set shop. Meanwhile, yes, the complicated cases and clients that are very complicated with different mortgage requirements that doesn't fit any kind of box, then those will require the mortgage broker's help. But let me ask you a question. Are you going to wait till they set up shop in Canada and do something about it? Or are you going to be proactive about it and get something done? All right? Here's what I'm asking. Here's what I'm saying. Rather than wait and sit and wait and see what happens. Maybe they will do well, maybe they won't. But who knows, right? All I got to say is that if you're waiting for the gigantic behemoth like Quicken to come into Canada to see if it affects your business or not, that's being reactive. Why not be proactive and do something? You know what? Create a value. Do something that position you as a center of influence so that you don't have to worry about these guys coming to Canada and eat away your market share or affect your business at all, right? Create something where they tie up your clients. I mean, the banks are really good at this. Multiple products and other stuff, right? So don't be just another commodity-driven mortgage broker, right? Those guys will get their lunches eaten away. When they come to Canada, they will impact everybody. Trust me on this, right? When they got the stuff figured out, they will do big numbers. And I'm not going to wait till they come to town to mess up with our mortgage business, right? On my side, you know what? We do a lot of development, commercial finance, and business financing, and complicated joint venture deals and stuff. Quicken may not like those clients, and they might not deal with it, right? So we may not be affected as much, but all I got to say is I'd rather be ahead of the curve than right behind the 8 ball, because that would suck, right? So what I'm trying to tell you is, if not commercial financing, anything else, find another way to tie your clients down, be able to give them more value so that they stick around with you for the long run. Maybe create a niche where you are the dominant player, where a simple fintech is not going to be able to take away your business overnight. That's that easy, okay? Chasing after the AAA clients or chasing a first home buyer, man, you're swimming upstream. That's all I gotta say, right? So if you have any questions, comment below. If you want to get some more information about commercial financing, just check out the Commercial Financing Mastery website. Any question related to the financing world that's outside the resident mortgage brokering, feel free to connect with me, Sue at sharingbanksecrets.com. You like this video, click like and subscribe to the channel. Updates more as the weeks go by, and my goal is to get more and more out there so that can help you add value to your business so you can grow your business without worrying about those competitions coming to eat away your lunch. Okay? Take care, guys. Have yourself an awesome day. Bye-bye.